Astro 13-inch nut thread setting hand riveter kit. Why you need this tool? For one, it's awesome. For two, I didn't know about it. And three, let's do an unboxing. Alright, let's see what we get for over 70 bucks. Well, for one, you get a decent case. It's plastic, it's cheap, but it's decent, or at least decent looking. Ta-da! Pretty nice. Feels of quality. Doesn't even feel cheap. Feels good. I looked at a lot of these online, and there's cheaper ones, and I don't know why they would be cheaper, but I bought one that had more reviews, lots of reviews. This was one of them, so I went ahead and bought the Astro 1442. Comes with M5, M6, M8, quarter 20, 1024, 516 by 18 bits. Let's see how this comes off. For driving your rib nuts. For driving your nuts. Oh, there's more in there. I'm assuming it probably goes something like that. Oh yeah, something like that. Haven't used it yet. And then for all the bits you get, they give you a little handful of all the rib nuts you need. Pretty nice. Actually, let's use it, see how it works. So I'm going to try this on a 1/8 thick piece of steel just to see how well it does. Let me drill it out. Alright, so I drilled the hole already. I don't know if it really matters or not, but I'm going to clean this up anyway. Alright, so that's clean. Fits super tight, just like it's supposed to. Just stick that in there. Alright, so let's try this. I've never used it before. I could have tried it before I did the video, but I'm going to do an actual hands-on as if you bought it and you were trying it for the first time. So we know that goes in there. Actually, you know what? I bet you could do this. I'm assuming this is correct. Slide it in. And that didn't work. So I'm assuming probably has to go further in. There we go. Just pushing it more out. Let's try that. That doesn't help. So obviously that's got to push it inwards. Now let's try it. Bam, that's it. And obviously in reality you would unscrew it from right here. You would just start unscrewing it backwards and it will unscrew. There's your rib nut. You can see how it crushed the back. That's actually pretty nice. But it did exactly what it was supposed to do. Alright guys, thanks for watching.